At the center of this rapid development is the captivating metropolis of Davao City, the Pearl of Mindanao. Built towards a sustainable future, with emphasis on infrastructure and world-class communities, Davao City has been the fastest growing city in Mindanao in the recent years. Also known for its stunning skyline and beautiful tourist destination, this city is truly one of a kind.
Good morning, everyone. Mabuhay. Today we are going to the durian capital of the Philippines, Davao City. On behalf of Lakbay Travel and Tours, I am Noemi, one of your step-on guide for the whole Davao tour. Beside me, I would like to meet the most important person inside the bus, our coach captain, Kuya Jomar. Say hi to Kuya Jomar, everyone! Hi! And now, before our bus departs, I just want you to see and familiarize all the beautiful faces here. Alright, I think everyone are now complete. I would like to take a minute to familiarize you with the areas and discuss some brief safety precautions. First, I ask you to remain seated until we come to a full stop. Second, always follow the itinerary that is given to you and stay with your seatmate as they will be your buddy or partner for the whole tour. Third, pay attention to all your belongings to avoid unnecessary loss, and please ensure the cleanliness for the whole tour. You will be given 10 to 15 minutes to use the restroom to avoid consuming a lot of time. And lastly, enjoy the tour. Is everything cleared, my dear tourists? Hey! And now I welcome you all to Davao City. Davao City is the durian capital of the Philippines, home for the Philippine eagle, and where you will find the grandfather of mountain, Mount Apo. Mount Apo comes from Apo, which means a title of respect, meaning revered elder, in various language of the surrounding Lumad tribes. The shortened form of the original Manobo and Kalangan, named Apo Sandawa or Elder Sandawa. The name of the spirit of the mountain, Mount Apo, is also known locally as Apo Sandawa, an active volcano in West Davao City. Davao City in 1994 was called Tacoma's sister city. Lying at the southeastern corner of the Philippines, the city is the largest city in Mindanao and also the largest city in the world with 244,000 hectares. Aside for being the durian capital of the Philippines, the city is considered also the orchid capital of the Philippines. The city is considered as the 87th fastest growing city in the world, having a population of over 1.4 million. The motto of the city, which is known for the numerous nicknames, which is known in love, peace, and progress from islands to islands. Davao has a lot of spoken languages, which includes Davaoenyo, Tagalog, Boholano, English, Spanish, Chavacano, Ilonggo, Ilocano, Chinese, Japanese, Bagobo, Pasakan, and Kapampangan. In addition, our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, known as Tatay Digong, lives here, and the city is known for the safest city in the Philippines. So for our first destination, in your left-hand side, the Malagos Garden Resort. It is owned by the Puentes Pina family, which would introduce chocolate making in Davao City in 2012. Through Malagos Chocolate, the Malagos Garden Resort covers an area of 12 hectares for ecotourism activities. It is accredited as the farm tourism site by the government Department of Tourism. It is known for the Chocolate Museum, Orchid Farm, and Chocolate Spa. It also hosts a bird feeding dome, butterfly sanctuary, and museum, a playground, a skate park, and a moonlight theater. Long-time attraction is the Malagos Bird Show, which was hosted by Bo Puentes Pina, which was held on weekends from the early 2000s to 2019. Once again, I am Noemi, your step-on guide for the first attraction in our tour here in Davao. Now I am passing the platform to our next step-on guide, Gio, for more attractions.
Mabuhay at maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. I'm Gio and I will be your tourist guide for the Philippine Eagle Center and Eden Nature Park and Resort. To your left-hand side, you will see the Philippine Eagle Center. The Philippine Eagle Center is one of Davao City's top attractions. It is an 8.4-hectare area located at the foothills of Mount Apo in Malagos, Baguio District, Davao City, and situated within the Malagos watershed. It primarily operates as conservation breeding facility for the critically endangered Philippine eagle and other birds of prey. Philippine Eagle Center is home to 36 Philippine eagles, 18 of which are captive bred. It also houses 10 other species of birds, 4 species of mammals, and 2 species of reptiles. Although the exhibits are used primarily to help educate the Filipino people on conservation, the facility is also considered a major tourist attraction in Davao City. Philippine Eagle Center is a great place to learn about eagles while relaxing amidst nature in a simulated forest environment. Getting up close and personal to the nearby extinct Philippine eagle will prove to be an unforgettable experience for the visitor of all ages. And that is the end of our trip in the Philippine Eagle Center. And now, we are approaching the Eden Nature Park and Resort. To your right-hand side, Eden Nature Park and Resort, or more commonly known as Eden, was located. It was discovered in 1971. It used to be a logged-over area covered by a blanket of wild grass. Not long after, terraces were carved out of the mountain slope, and thousands of pine seedlings were planted. Today, there are over 100,000 pine trees spread in about 80 hectares, providing a magnificent backdrop of the various attractions in Eden. In 1990s, Eden was classified as ecotourism zone. The owners envisioned the property could be a good setting for corporate events considering the ambience therein. Eden Nature Park and Resort started its operations in October 1997. Over the years, the market responded favorably and the resort expanded its operations by offering day tour packages and guided shuttle tours around the property. The resort caters to live-in corporate seminars, retreats, wedding receptions, and special events. There is a plenty of things to do in the 80-hectare property. Attractions, dining, outlets, fishing village, butterfly garden, hydrophonically grown vegetables, flower and herbs garden, adventure rides, and cultural village were established. Eden Nature Park and Resort marks a key milestone as it celebrates its 20th anniversary. Eden has been providing friendly and accommodating services to its guests. Whatever the future holds, Eden will always be a landmark in Davao, providing hospitality to all tourists, giving them a chance to experience nature and adventure at its best. And that is the end of our trip in the Philippine Eagle Center and Eden Nature Park and Resort. I will now let Mr. Hines continue your tour. Again, I'm Gio, and may all of you enjoy the rest of the tour with him.
Mabuhay! Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Heinz Pascual and I will be your tourist guide. You guys can call me Heinz. Did you guys learn a lot about the tourist spots around here from our previous tourist guide Gio? That's nice. So I hope you also learn a lot from me. And so before we start, let's talk about our safety. First of all, I'd love for all of you to remain seated throughout our tour here. Secondly, do not switch seats. And lastly, enjoy our trip. So, let's start. Now approaching on your right-hand side is the Museo Davaoeño. It is the former court of first instance of Davao City constructed in 1953. And in 1993, it became the office of the Davao City Disaster Coordinating Council. In 2005, the building was demolished to make way for the construction of the museum, which was completed in 2007. On November 15, 2006, Mayor Rodrigo R. Duterte signed into law City Ordinance No. 266-206, establishing the museum. The museum was formally opened on March 14, 2008 during the 71st Araw ng Davao celebration. And during the first months of operations, the artifacts on the exhibits were donations from Miss Baby Babaw, Kaliwa Theater Collective, paintings of Mr. Mark Tolentino, and some collections of Mr. Ven Gallego and architect Jose Racho. Students of Philippine Women's University of Davao painted a seascape and a landscape that served as backdrop of the indigenous and Muslim people's galleries. On your left-hand side, we are now approaching at the oldest church in Davao City, which is the San Pedro Cathedral. It is also the most significant historical site in the area. It was given the name San Pedro Cathedral in honor of Davao's patron saint, Saint Peter or San Pedro. The church was built in 1847 during the advent of the Spanish conquistadors under the command of Don Jose Uyanguren. The cathedral is located at the very center of the city, directly across the Sangguniang Panglungsod ng Davao or the City Council building, and is close to several commercial establishments, hotels, shopping centers, universities, parks, a public market, and etc. Today, the San Pedro Cathedral is acknowledged as a national cultural treasure. So that's it for my part of the tour, guys. Now I'm going to turn the tour over to Miss Realin to continue our tour. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed your time with me and I hope you learned a lot.
Thank you, Heinz. For our next tourist destination is People's Park. The People's Park was created through the conversation of the old PTA ground or the Palarong Panlunsod, a sports and events venue of the city, into a park. Conversion of the ground into the PTA Park, which costed 71 million pesos, was committed in July 2006. The park had a soft opening on August 2007 during the Kadayawan Festival. It was inaugurated on December 15, 2007 and was named People's Park, which was chosen among 918 entries of the Name the Park contest organized by the city government. And for a tourist destination, this is the Davao Riverfront Crocodile Park. The Davao Crocodile Park all started for the fascination of the owner, Mr. Philip Dizon, to saltwater and freshwater crocodiles. Davao Crocodile Park is an established that showcases a state-of-the-art crocodile farming in the Philippines. It has the most recent crocodile farm design equipped with the modern facility and equipment. The presence of other exotic animal species like raptors, monkey, bearcats, snakes, birds, and other reptiles make it one of the most desired tourist destinations in Davao City. Thus the other two destinations in Davao City. Now, I'm going to give the floor to Miss Sophia Alde.
Thank you, Miss Rhea. And now, may I ask you, are you hungry, tourists? Yeah! I know all of you are hungry. Well, our last destination is a good mood for food and shopping. As you can see on your left-hand side, everyone, welcome to Roxas Night Market. The Roxas Night Market is located in the middle of Roxas Avenue, home to Ateneo de Davao University. If you're in the mood for heavy meal, there are stations that offer grilled fresh seafood. You should also try pastil, seaweed salad, and tuna kimbap. After having your fill of street food, there's a lot of shopping and walking that can burn off all those calories. You can find all sorts of merchandise in the shopping sections of the night market. Thrifted items, phone accessories, high-quality souvenirs, and even stickers. Filipinos are very fond of thrift shopping, and Roxas Night Market provides a great venue for this. So, don't forget your money. This will be the end of our tour in Davao City, and I hope you have an enjoyable lakbay. Don't forget to tag us on your post, Tara Lakbay, Tara sa Davao. On behalf of Lakbay Travel and Tours, I'm your tour guide Ate Sofia, saying daghang salamat and see you on your next visit here in Davao City.
Experience the vibrant colors and distinguished culture of Davao City